Sarah here with WTI and a fabulous bag.
I mean it when I say this bag is fabulous. I was carrying around this big old chunky blue purse, and I am so glad that I switched over to this. It is small, it's durable, and it fits where I need it to fit, and it also carries everything that I need it to carry. It is so much better than the big thing I was carrying around. I love how versatile it is. I can wear it with many different outfits, and I can wear it in many different ways, crossbody or with just the little handles. I can wear it as a handbag. Again, I love how small it is. It fits great in a shopping cart buggy. It fits in my small car. It fits in the booth next to me when we're on date night. It's just perfect, and it still fits everything that I need it to fit. My millions of lip glosses and hand sanitizers for some reason. Fits tissues, sunglasses, cell phones, even my tablet fits in there, as well as my wallet, some winter gear such as a hat and gloves, not to mention all of the used tissues and trash that your children give you to carry around. It fits everything in there. It has lots of different pockets with zippers. The zippers are all very strong. The pockets are nice and deep for you to put your cell phone in, and everything fits securely and snugly in its proper place. I love the material that it's made out of. It comes in different colors. I love this pink shade. I love how strong and durable the stitching is on the handles, and I love how strong the toggles are. This thing is meant to last for years and years, and I know it's going to hold up despite what I put it through. So if you're looking for a strong, reliable, adorable purse, you've found it.
And that's my point of view.